Okay guys, so for today, I will share something that I have built. It's a very basic agent similar to the qualification, but just that this is something like a pre-adoption qualification for dogs. So many years back, I used to volunteer in a dog charity organization in Singapore. So I've seen how charities, they have to hire all these, get volunteers to manually assess applications for adoption. So something came to my mind like, hey, why don't I try something like a pre-adoption whereby instead of everyone having interest going for a pre-adoption briefing first to find out what is needed from them, why not put this upfront with some basic qualifications that can be done using AI, and then it will then run everything and only send email to get those who are qualified to attend the pre-adoption briefing. So what I did was I got some parts of the form from the organization's website, built it into Tally, a form builder, and then all these records will go into a site called Airtable. Is similar to Google Sheets. So with this, I will put a table into make.com, link it, and then on the one hand, if the person is qualified, we will send an email to the person to book a slot for the pre-adoption briefing in Calendly, and then we update what is sent, the date that was sent on Airtable. And subsequently, if the person does not qualify, then of course we will send another email to thank the person for his or her interest, and then encourage them to seek other avenues to volunteer and help out. Of course, there are some limitations to using make.com. The first and foremost one that I will tell you is that it's email. So if you are using an email account that ends with gmail.com, then of course there is an issue connecting to it. I found that the website integromat.com is not verified, so it's very hard to connect your Gmail to it. However, if your email is any other organization that is not gmail.com, then you'll be able to do it. Of course, if you manage to find a workaround to it, do let me know in the comments, and then I will be interested to learn. Of course, I'm still at the beginning stages of building AI agents, so do bear with me if the design seems a bit amateurish. I am not an expert at this point. However, I have an interest in helping organizations, especially small businesses and charities, automate their workflow, and of course, help them to make their processes more efficient with AI. If you know anyone or you are interested in doing this for your organization, send me an email, it's in the description, and then I will help you out. See you soon.